Hi, my name's Chris and this is Tune a Day Original Series, Lesson 6, and this is the second pupil part for Upper D, which is number 8. We're still playing in the key of F major, which means we still have a B flat all the way through. Counting 4 before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you managed to pull yours in with that. It can feel a little strange playing a duet to start off with because you've got a different melody that you're playing against and it can be a little bit unnerving. So practice it a few times. If you have any trouble, do give me a call. I do lessons online via Skype or Zoom. See you next time. Bye.